let's clean. Put on some good music. Air conditioning's on, hot outside, let's clean. And there you are. The kitchen is clean. 27 minutes. 27 minutes, so less than half an hour. That includes vacuuming, washing the floor, doing the dishes, everything. 27 minutes. If you do that at nighttime, then when you wake up in the morning, you have a beautiful, clean kitchen. If you keep up with your kitchen every day and go to bed every night with a clean kitchen, then it is done. You wake up, you have a clean slate, you don't have mess hanging over you, you're more organized, you're more rested. It does wonders for you. That's the thing about procrastination. I have to do it anyways. I have to do it at some point. So if I do it at nighttime, I am blessing my future self. So bless your future self. Do it. Do it now. Do as soon as possible. Keep it up. Your future self will love you for it. Put your headphones in. Listen to an audiobook. Listen to a podcast. Listen to music. Music will get you going, give you some energy. Phone someone. Phone a friend. Phone a family member. I phone my father all the time when I'm cleaning the kitchen. And it's wonderful because it's kind of a mindless job. I don't have to think about it very much. And then I concentrate on my phone call. Everybody's happy. Just get it done. Bless your future self by getting it done. Thanks for watching. That's a quick, easy clean with me. Don't put it off. Get it done now. Thanks for watching.